Hi, my dear students. Now we are going to the questions. It depends upon the concept of pair of angular bisectors of homogeneous pair of lines. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. That is, h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. That means pair of angular bisectors means the bisector divides the angle at the pair of lines into two equal parts. That means bisect. That's why every point on the line which is equidistant from the pair of lines, the locus of the point is called, that means the locus of the point is called locus of incenter. It is called angular bisector. Since according to the definition of the incenter, internal angular bisector's point of intersection is incenter. That's why every point on the bisector represents incenter. That's why the locus of incenter is called angular bisector. Now we have to find the locus of incenter, or which is equidistant from the sides. That means here given the question, the locus of the points equidistant from the pair of lines is x square cos square theta minus 2xy sin square theta minus y square sin square theta is equal to 0 is first option, x square minus y square plus xy cosecant square theta is equal to 0, and second option, x square plus y square plus 2xy cosecant square theta is equal to 0, and third option, x square minus y square plus 2xy cosecant square theta is equal to 0, and fourth option, x square plus y square plus 2xy secant square theta is equal to 0. Now here you have to take the given pair of lines, homogeneous pair of lines, which are passing through origin. That's why the locus of the points, so there is the locus of the points represents the bisector. They are equidistant from the pair of lines. This distance is equal to this distance. That's why it is called pair of angular bisector formula. Here also same. Here also equidistant. Another pair of lines. That's why pair of angular bisector formula, that is pair of angular bisector h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. So according to this formula, from the given equation, a is equal to cos square theta and h is equal to minus half of the xy. That means half of the xy, coefficient of xy, that is minus sin square theta, and b is equal to coefficient of y square, that is minus sin square theta. That's why. Now we have to substitute in the formula. Then it is minus sin square theta into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b. So cos square theta minus of minus plus cos square theta plus sin square theta into xy. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1. That's why here minus sin square theta into x square minus y square is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Here it is xy. That's all. Now this one, shift to RHS, then it is sin square theta into x square minus y square is equal x square minus y square plus xy is equal to 0. So multiply with this equation cosecant square theta. That's why sin square theta into cosecant square theta is 1, x square minus y square, x square minus y square plus xy into cosecant square theta is equal to 0. That's why that is first option. Now we are going to, one more question depends upon the pair of angular bisectors. The next question depends upon the same concept. That is, if 2x square minus 3xy plus y square is equal to 0 represents two sides of a triangle, and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is the third side, then locus of incenter of the triangle is first option 2x square plus 3xy plus y square is equal to 0. Second option 3x square plus 2xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. Third option 2x square minus 3xy minus 2y square is equal to 0. And fourth option 3x square minus 2xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. That's all. This is also depends upon the same condition, that is the same formula, pair of angular bisector. Since locus of incenter is called that is pair of angular bisectors theorem, right? So from the diagram, observe here, same here, the given equation represents two lines passing through the origin. So take like this. Now this is the locus of incenter, since which is equidistant from the sides. That's why it is pair of bisector, angular bisector. This is one bisector, this is other bisector, according to the pair of angular bisector. That's why, what is the formula? Now formula is h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Now from the given equation, so what is the given equation here? This is 2x square minus 3xy plus y square is equal to 0. This will comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then a is 2 and h is minus 3 by 2 and b is 1. Substitute these values in this one. Then it is minus 3 by 2 times of x square minus y square is equal to a minus b. That is 2 minus 1 into xy. Now from this, minus 3 by 2 into x square minus y square is equal to xy. By cross multiplication, minus 3 times of x square minus y square is equal to 2xy. Now from this, 3x square plus 2xy minus 3y square is equal to 0 is the required pair of lines equation. This is called locus of incenter. That's why this is in second option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question, depends upon this concept. Now the next question, that is, if one angular bisector of a into x plus 1 whole square plus 2h into x plus 1 into y minus 3 plus b into y minus 3 whole square is equal to 0 is 2x minus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0, then equation of the other angular bisector is. Now observe, so we have to find angular bisectors. Angular bisectors are perpendicular to each other always. Angular bisectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So one of the bisector is given there. One of the bisector is 2x minus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0. Of course, the given equation represents it is non-homogeneous equation. Since this is not passes through origin, this is passes through x minus of minus 1. So minus 1 comma 3. That's why it is passes through minus 1 comma 3. Now we have to write options. So now the options are, first option x plus y is equal to 2. Second option 3x plus 2y plus 11 is equal to 0. Third option 3x plus 2y is equal to 0. And fourth option 3x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Actually, the given pair of lines equation, solution for this one, given pair of lines equation, a into x plus 1 whole square plus 2h into x plus 1 into y minus 3 plus b into y minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. This will comparing with a into x minus alpha whole square plus 2h into x minus alpha into y minus beta plus b into y minus beta whole square is equal to 0. It represents the pair of lines passing through alpha comma beta. If the pair of lines passing through 0, 0, then it is homogeneous pair of lines. Now it is passing through alpha comma beta, it is non-homogeneous pair of straight lines. That's why this non-homogeneous pair of straight lines equation has pair of angular bisectors. One of the bisector is given there. So one of the angular bisector is given there. 2x minus 3y plus 11 is equal to 0. So that is one of the given bisector. One of the given bisector. Now, actually, pair of angle bisectors are perpendicular to each other. That's why another bisector which is perpendicular to the given bisector, like this. So, according to the formula, the line which is perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is what? Bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. Bx minus ay. That's why it is minus minus can plus b 3x plus 2y plus k is equal to 0. This is the required line. Is required line. Required bisector. Required line this is. So that is required bisector. Okay. And which is passing through alpha comma beta. What is alpha beta? Alpha comma beta is equal to minus of minus 1. That's why minus 1. Since minus alpha is 1, alpha is minus 1. And minus beta is minus 3. So beta is 3. That's why it is passes through the point of intersection, that is minus 1 comma 3. So this is like a concurrent lines concept. Do you know the concept of concurrent lines from the pair of straight lines? Two or more lines passing through one point, then the lines are called concurrent lines. Are you clear? So two or more lines satisfy, that means one point lie on the same two or more lines, then the point is called a congruent point, as well as the lines are called congruent lines. That's why it is congruent concept. That's why this is one bisector, now this is the required bisector. It is also passing through minus 1 comma 3. That's why you have to substitute in place of x minus 1 in place of y 3. Then it is 3 times of minus 1 plus 2 times of 3 plus k is equal to 0. Now from this minus 3, here it is minus 3 plus 6 plus k is equal to 0. Now from this k plus 3 is equal to 0. That's why k is equal to minus 3. Now the required line is required line. What is the required line? Required bisector. Another bisector, 3x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. That is in fourth option. That's all. Okay. So these are the questions from JEE mains level questions. These are the questions depends upon the concept of angular bisectors. Okay. So angular bisectors are always perpendicular to each other, since they have same x square, that means sum of the x square coefficient plus y square coefficient. Sum of the x square coefficient and y square coefficient is 0. That's why. Okay. Right. Now we are going to the most important concept, that is equally inclined pair of lines. Equally inclined pair of lines means if two pair of lines are said to be equally inclined pair of lines, then they have same pair of angular bisectors. Two pairs of lines, two set of pair of lines are there. They have same pair of angular bisector, then they are said to be equally inclined pair of lines. That means, so if the lines L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 make equal angles with L is equal to 0, then the pair of lines L1 L2 is equal to 0 is said to be equally inclined with L is equal to 0. That means we have to take L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0. The combined equation of L1 and L2 is nothing but L1 L2 is equal to 0. It represents pair of lines equation. So which makes equal angles with the line L is equal to 0. Here it is theta, here it is theta. They have same angles, equal angles with L is equal to 0. Then the pair of lines is said to be equally inclined pair of lines. So two pairs of lines are said to be equally inclined to each other, then they possess the same pair of angle bisectors. That's why if two pair of equations are equally inclined pair of lines, then they have same pair of angle bisector. That is very, very important, and more number of questions depends upon in objective exam. Especially this is the concept exclusively for objective. So more number of JEE mains questions depends upon this concept. Okay. Now formula. Actually, we know that a pair of angle bisector of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. For homogeneous equation. For a homogeneous equation, pair of angle bisector is h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Now, for non-homogeneous equation, since this is passes through origin, homogeneous equation passes through origin. For non-homogeneous equation not passing through origin, that means the pair of angle bisector of a into x minus alpha whole square plus 2h into x minus alpha into y minus beta plus b into y minus beta whole square is equal to 0 is a non-homogeneous equation. It is not passing through origin since this is passes through the point alpha comma beta. For this one, pair of angle bisector equation is h into x minus alpha whole square minus y minus beta whole square is equal to a minus b into x minus alpha into y minus beta. Suppose in place of alpha beta we have to take a 0 0, then x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy, like this. That's why instead of x we have to write x minus alpha, instead of y we have to write y minus beta, since the pair of lines passing through the alpha beta. This is the pair of angle bisector for non-homogeneous pair of lines. This is the pair of angle bisector for homogeneous equation. Now we are going to the questions on the concept. Since this is very very important to concept, the concept is called equally inclined pair of lines. Okay, now we are going to the questions on the concept. Okay, dear students, observe the important note point, that is every pair of lines is equally inclined to their angle bisectors and the lines parallel to the angle bisector. So that means, suppose you have to take a pair of lines. So for angle bisectors, every line equally inclined to the bisector is parallel to the another bisector. That's all. So now we are going to the question on this concept, that is, if the pair of lines ax square plus 2pxy minus ay square is equal to 0 and bx square plus 2qxy minus py square is equal to 0 are such that each pair bisect the angle between the other pair of lines, then first option AP is equal to BQ and second option AB plus BQ is equal to 0 and third option AP is equal to BQ and fourth option AP plus BQ is equal to 0. So observe, according to the note point, suppose you have to take the bisector for first one, it is parallel to the second one. Now bisector for second one, it is parallel to the first one. That means one of the bisectors of the pair of lines represents another pair of lines. One of the bisectors of the pair of lines, that means pair of bisectors of one equation represents other equation. That's why first to find the pair of bisectors of first equation. Solution for this question, given ax square plus 2pxy minus ay square is equal to 0. It's a bisector equation. What is the formula? Now, formula for angle bisector, h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Now, according to this form, where a is a, b is minus a, h is b, that's why p times of x square minus y square is equal to a plus a xy. So from this is px square minus py square is equal to 2axy. Now from this, px square minus 2axy minus py square is equal to 0, taking as 1. This one and given second line represents the same lines. Now given that is bx square plus 2qxy minus by square is equal to 0. That's why 1 and 2 represent same lines, comparing them. Now 1 and 2 represents same lines, comparing them. 1 represents same line. Represents same line. Now comparing them. So 1 and 2 represents same line. Now comparing them, then it is P by B. P by B is equal to minus 2A by 2Q. Minus 2A by 2Q is equal to minus of P by B. Here it is P by B. Minus P by minus B. That's why P by B minus P by B. Both are equal. That's why equate to these. Then it is 2 gets cancelled. PQ is equal to minus AB. From this one, AB plus PQ is equal to 0. AB plus PQ is equal to 0. That is in second option. Okay? AB plus PQ is equal to 0. That is in second option. Okay? That's why here it is PQ. So second option is right answer. Second option is right answer. So this represents equally inclined pair of lines. The concept depends upon the concept of equally inclined pair of lines. Now we are going to one more question on this concept. Okay, the next question, that is, so if the pair of lines 3x square minus 2pxy minus 3y square is equal to 0 and 5x square minus 2qxy minus 5y square is equal to 0 are such that each pair bisect the angle between the others, then PQ is equal to. So this will comparing with the lines, then A is equal to P and B is equal to, A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5. So we know the formula AB plus the PQ is equal to 0. That's why PQ is equal to minus 15. That's why, so that is in fourth option. Same, the pair of lines equally inclined to the line. In the options, lines are there. Now we have to find the pair of angle bisector according to this formula. Now simplify this. Then we get 2 lines after factorizing. So these 2 lines represents the pair of angle bisectors. That's why one of the bisector is parallel to the given line. Then they are equally inclined to them. That's why the pair of angle bisectors parallel to the given line, then they are equally inclined to each other. So now 3x plus 11y is equal to 0 is parallel to the first option. 3x plus 11y minus 5 is equal to 0. That's why the first option is correct. That's all. Okay, right. Bye. Okay, this is the concept of pair of angular bisectors. That's